You all enjoyed the poem and able to recite the poem how I have done. Now I am here with the explanation of this poem. As all you know that unity is strength and division is a weakness. आप सबको पता है कि यूनिटी क्या होती है बच्चों? हमारी अनेकता। अनेकता में जो होती ताकत होती है। मतलब a group of peoples they having a strength, उनमें ताकत होती है। डिवीजन इज अ वीकनेस। और डिवीजन मतलब अगर हम अलग अलग हो जाएंगे तो हमारी कमज़ोरी होती है। तो आपने सुना भी होगा एंड मेनी ऑफ यू हैव हर्ड द स्टोरीज और मोरल स्टोरीज एज यूनिटी इज स्ट्रेंथ। ताकत होती है हमारी। सो दिस पोएम इज एक्सप्लेन द ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ विक्ट्री, what the meaning of victory is. And in this the poet wants to say that everyone wants to win, like we all wants to win, we all wants to score, to be at the top. And in that what happened, we are just not able to see around and care about other people that who are in our team. And he also wants to explain that people that are in our team, they are not like, we are not matter them at all. And how we stand up as a team, he explained and he forced that we have to work together as a team. Either we succeed or defeat, doesn't matter. Okay, we just have to pull our team with us, we have to be one. Then the other people might judge you, or they are think that they praise you as a single. Okay, they are going to find you, they are going to test you, they are going to like they are going to give you remark as an individual, but you must pull your team with you and you will win at the time when you care for your all other team members and work together as a team. Okay, so here, like in the first paragraph, you can see teamwork, together we can make our dream work. If we are going to work, any work, either it is your school related activities, either it's your ground when you are playing something. So if you are going to team, you are going to act like a team, you are going to work like a team, then you can achieve your dream, you can achieve your happiness. Okay, then we will share the joy of what we have done, teamwork, everyone. Then when we are going to achieve our dream, then only we are able to share our happiness, share our joy with others. Like what we have done, we are able to give the example to others that we have done, we have achieved this. So this is the teamwork. So everybody should have follow the teamwork. Okay, now come to the second paragraph. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. Means now in basketball, all you know, and many of you are playing also. So in basketball game, what happened? It's fun. Like we are passing the ball. We are passing the ball one to other and another. Then the goal is that we are going to get many like numbers. Like after when we are going to throw that ball through that hoop, that basket. If you are going to put that basket in that, we are going what marks on that. Yes, so if nobody passes, if nobody is like cooperating, they are not coordination is not there, nobody is listening, so if you are not passing the ball, then nobody able to get that mark, nobody able to get that point. Okay, then and the relay race just can't go on, because the relay race again, it's a teamwork. When many of the people, children, they are going to stand, they are going to pass something, or then only it is possible you are achieve your finish point. Okay, if nobody wants to pass, if nobody is having the thing like I have to pass, I have to coordinate, we have to win, the team spirit is not there, then there is failure. The next paragraph, see, we are the part that make up the whole, we are not the complete thing, we are just a part, we are just a part. And then when we parts, you have learned in maths also, parts, then become a whole. Okay, so we have got our eyes on a common goal, our like aim should be clear that we want to achieve that goal, we have to passed, or we have to achieve that much point in that game, we have to pass that much score in that group activity. So that is should be clear. We have got our eyes on a common goal, our eyes on a common goal means our target should be clear, what we want to do, what do we want to achieve. Okay, sometimes it can be a big plus, means sometimes it can be a very big victory. Okay, and when it happened, when you and me become an ass. So this is the gist. This is the explanation of this poem. Hope you're able to understand. Now go through again, and if you have any query, ask me.